Today we will see about basic concept in geometry. So in basic concept, first point is point in geometry. So what is point? It is a soft dot on paper by pencil or pen, just like this. It is a point, means simply dot on paper. Next point is collinear point. The collinear point means three or more points which are in a straight path are called collinear points. Means points in such a way that when we draw a line we get only one line, or when we join them we get one line. Those points are called collinear point. Non-collinear point means the points which are not collinear, means when we join them we will not get a line. So these 4 points are non-collinear and these 4 points are collinear. One thing we have to note that 2 points are always collinear, means when we join 2 points we get line, we get always one line. Next is ray. It is a set of infinite collinear points having origin and one direction. So this is your origin and it is in one direction. So here from origin up to having no ending, so this contain infinite points, infinite collinear points. Clear? Next thing is, next basic concept is line. So it is a set of infinite collinear point having no origin and bidirectional. So this is your line. It is a set of infinite collinear points having no origin and bidirectional. So in line and ray there is no length, means their length cannot be determined. Clear? Next is segment. It is the set of finite collinear points having origin and ending. So this is origin, then it is ending. If it is origin, then it is ending. And from origin to ending there are finite points, finite collinear points. So it is called segment, and we can find the length of segment, but we can't find the length of line or length of ray. Next is intersecting line. Two lines are said to be intersecting. Two lines are said to be intersecting if they have one common point. So here in this two line there is one common point. This is the point of intersection. So there is one and only one common point. Then we call those lines are intersecting lines. So first is point, collinear point, non-collinear point, ray, line, segment and intersecting line. In next video we will see about parallel line, concurrent line. If you like this video, then comment on it.